The reform of our curriculum is very important, first to the education system itself, second to the general development of human resource capacity of our country, and thirdly, to how we align our national development objectives. Therefore, this is a very crucial exercise. We could either A, if we worked together as we have been working, successfully complete this phase of piloting and, subject to the approval of Cabinet and Parliament, end up with a strong reformed education system by 2018, or we could make a mistake and lose this moment. I pray that we don't lose this moment. Curriculum reform is a very consultative exercise. It's just got to involve everyone. And we've done very well. And I must thank my sister, Dr. Sarah Ruto, and the board at KICD. I must thank Dr. Juan and the team of experts at KICD for the work that they have been able to do. We had a national steering committee that brought in civil society players, faith-based organizations, teacher unions, the professional representatives of the teachers in these countries, the Teacher Service Commission, who have participated in this, and various stakeholders.
Curriculum reform is bigger than our ministry. I know it is bigger than the sector, but we anchor it as the key ministry and the key sector that will drive it forward. But you know, it affects all sectors, it affects households, it affects all of us.